I got this super cute mini handheld purse. It comes in two colors, brown, which is like this camel color, and then a black. I love the colors because it goes with everything. It has these straps right here so you can hold it just like this. Or if you want to, it comes with this so you can extend it and wrap it around your shoulder. And then it has this right here so it is adjustable in length. And then you just hook it on the sides right here. And then on the other side as well. Furthermore, it has a zipper right here. You can open it up, and then this is what the inside looks like. There's a zipper right here where you can hide like credit cards, things of that nature. It is a mini purse though, so keep in mind you can only have so much. It fits. This is my iPhone. It fits my iPhone in here, and then I could put like a couple other items such as like my lip gloss, makeup, things of that nature, and all of that fits in here perfectly. Another plus is it comes with this super cute charm. So I'm going to go ahead and add this charm, and then I'll go ahead and style it with my outfit and show you what you can wear it with. So this is what it looks like with just like a plain pair of jeans and a white tee. It's super cute, super casual. It goes with my outfit perfectly. I added the charm and I love it. You could also like attach your keys to it. Just a really cute overall look. But this is how I really love to wear it, just like as a cute handheld purse for a girls' night out. Throw in like a cute blazer, a cute shirt, and then a pair of heels. And then all your essentials go in here, and you're carrying just a small purse, which small purses, in my opinion, are the best. So you're taking only what you need, and you're ready to go for the night.